Learn to use Microsoft Excel 2010.
Introduction. You have seen list of items in tabular form several times. For example, the bills you received from shops, the annual report card received from school, or the scorecard of a cricket team. These tables with rows and columns are called spreadsheets. Spreadsheets. A spreadsheet is defined as a large sheet which contains data and information arranged in rows and columns. It is also known as a worksheet. It is a rectangular table or grid of information which often contains financial information of an organization. It is a very easy way to organize data in rows and columns. This allows data to be analyzed and interpreted easily. Spreadsheets are useful in various fields. They are used in business. They are used by engineers and scientists for performing complex calculations. A spreadsheet processes numbers. You can create spreadsheets on a computer.
You just need the particular software or program for it.
A computer spreadsheet is also known as an electronic spreadsheet. It is used for analyzing and manipulating sets of numbers. Through a computer spreadsheet, you can perform different calculations at a very high speed using different formulae. A spreadsheet program is designed to perform general computation tasks. There are many software available nowadays to create spreadsheets in a computer. For example, MS Excel, Lotus 123, OpenOffice Calc, VisiCalc.
You will learn about Microsoft Excel 2010 in this chapter.